Want to know how to download Reolink on your PC? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, simply open up your favorite browser. Now, once you've opened up your favorite browser, on the search bar, simply search up Reolink. Now, once you've searched it up, on the first tab right here, you should be seeing Reolink. You can just simply scroll down a little bit and you should be seeing app and client under this first slide. So you can just simply select it and it should direct you to its official website. Now once you're there should be description and stuffs of all of your app and client and its features. So what you need to do is just simply scroll all the way down and on the bottom there should be a download option. So right here you should be seeing the Reolink app and client. So simply select download right here and you should be directed to a new page. So right here you can be able to download on various clients. So my current system is Windows, so you can go for Mac, iOS, Android and much more. So simply select down for Windows and then your download should begin. And that's it, super simple and easy. Once the installation is done, just simply follow the installation wizard, install it and you should be good. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.